In this video, I explain advantages and disadvantages of automation control in industries. So first we understand the advantages of automation. So first advantage is replacing human operator in a task that involves a hard physical works. Okay, so in some work we are require very large human force. Okay, so that type of the task is replaced by the automations. Second, replacing humans in a task done in dangerous environment. Dangerous environment means like fire, space, volcanoes, nuclear facilities and various underwater activities. Means at the place where the very large human force is required, they are replaced by the automations. Some of the dangerous applications means the human life are dangerous on a certain task. Okay, so that type of the task is replaced by using the automations. Performing tasks that are beyond the human capabilities of size, weight, speed, endurance. It means for performing the certain task, the human size are very small, its weights are lower, speed are very slow. So these type of the tasks are replaced by using the automation. And fourth advantage is due to the for economy improvements. Okay, so we know that by applying the automation in the industries, our economies is growing because by using the automations we can increase the speed of performing the task. Okay, so automation may improve in economy of enterprise, society or most of the humanity. For example, when an enterprise invests in automation or technology recover its investments, or when a state or a country increase its income due to the automations like Germany or Japan in the 20th century. So we know that in 20th century Germany and Japan are investing in automations, and by adopting the automations they can improve their economy because the automation is performed the task very fast and productivity is increased, that we study in objective. Okay, so when the productivity is increased, by default the GDP is increased due to the increasing in the profits as well as the production rate of the industries. Reduce operation time and work handling time significantly. Okay, so here you see that the operation time is reduced, means our productivity is increased. Productivity is increased, that means GDP of the country is increased, that is called as the economy improvement. And work handling time is significantly reduced. Now moving on the disadvantage. Before that, I request to like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to the OHP as well as other subject of the mechanical engineering. For the OHP, various link is provided in descriptions as well as in a card. Card mean on the top right screen of your mobile or laptop you see the eye symbols. For other subject, I request to visit playlist. The main disadvantages of automation are: first is the unemployment. We know that when any industries adopt the automations, they start to remove the employee. That is called as the unemployment rate is increased due to the machines replace the humans and putting those humans out of their job. So we know that that is the same production, means producing the tire, that is the two industries is that. In one industries the manual operation is going on, in second industries that is a complete automation is there. So there is a very large difference between the employee or a workers. Okay, so in automation system very small amount of the worker is required, so due to these automations the unemployment rate is increased. Second, technical limitations. Current technology is unable to automate all the desired tasks. So we know that by adopting the automations we are not able to cover all the tasks. Okay, for performing the certain tasks we require the human. Security threats and vulnerability. Automated systems may have limited levels of intelligence, hence it is most likely susceptible to commit errors, means there is a possibilities of the error as well as the threat of the data or a services. Fourth is unpredictable development cost. Unpredictable development cost means for the development of the automation systems we require very large research and development teams, and for the research and development cost of the automating a process may be exceed the cost saved by the automation itself. Means suppose we know that by adopting the automation system this much cost of the industries is reduced, so this much cost is required to install these automation systems. Okay, So that is the initial cost of this automation system is higher. Even they are unpredictable development cost. High initial cost. The automations of a new product or a plant require a huge initial investment in comparisons with the unit cost of the product. Although the cost of automation is spread in many product batch of things. Means when we install the automatic plant in any industries, the initial cost means purchasing cost is very high compared to the manual systems. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video, subscribe my channels, and don't forget to share with your friends.